Operating system. An operating system OS is a system software that manages computer hardware, software resources, and provides common services for computer programs. Time sharing operating systems and schedule tasks for efficient use of the system and may also include accounting software for cost allocation of processor time, mass storage, printing, and other resources. For hardware functions such as input and output and memory allocation, the operating system acts as an intermediary between programs and the computer hardware. Although the application code is usually executed directly by the hardware and frequently makes system calls to an OS function or is interrupted by it. Operating systems are found on many devices that contain a computer, from cellular phones and video game consoles to web servers and supercomputers. The dominant general-purpose personal computer operating system is Microsoft Windows with a market share of around 76.45%. Mac OS by Apple is in second place, 17.72%, and the varieties of Linux are collectively in third place, 1.73%. In the mobile sector, including smartphones and tablets, Android share is up to 72% in the year 2020. According to third quarter 2016 data, Android share on smartphone is dominant with 87.5% with a growth rate of 10.3% per year, followed by Apple's iOS with 12.1% with per year decrease in market share of 5.2%, while other operating systems amount to just 0.3%. Linux distributions are dominant in the server and supercomputing sectors. Other specialized classes of operating systems, special purpose operating systems such as embedded and real-time systems, exist for many applications. Security focused operating systems also exist. Some operating systems have low system requirements, for example lightweight Linux distribution. Others may have higher system requirements. Some operating systems require installation or may come pre-installed with purchased computer OEM installation, whereas others may run directly from media such as live CD or flash memory such as USB stick. Types of operating systems: single tasking and multitasking. A single tasking system can only run one program at a time, while a multitasking operating system allows more than one program to be running concurrently. This is achieved by time sharing, where the available processor time is divided between multiple processes. These processes are each interrupted repeatedly in time slices by a task scheduling subsystem of the operating system. Multitasking may be characterized in preemptive and cooperative types. In preemptive multitasking, the operating system slice the CPU time and dedicates a slot to each of the programs. Unix-like operating systems such as Linux, as well as non-Unix like such as Amiga OS, support preemptive multitasking. Cooperative multitasking is achieved by relying on each process to provide time to the other processes in a defined manner. 16-bit versions of Microsoft Windows used cooperative multitasking. To 32-bit